Would you be seated, please? You could have come like a mighty storm, with all the strength of a hurricane. You could have come like a forest fire, with the power of heaven in your flame. But you came like a winter snow, quiet and soft and slow, falling from the sky in the night to the earth below. You could have swept in like a tidal wave, or in an ocean to ravage our hearts. You could have come through like a roaring flood to wipe away the things we've scarred. Oh, but you came like a winter snow. You were quiet, you were soft and slow, falling from the sky in the night to the earth below. No, your voice wasn't in a bush burning. No, your voice wasn't in a rushing wind. It was still, it was small, it was hidden. Oh, you came like a winter snow, quiet and soft and slow, falling from the sky in the night to the earth below.